Welcome back to Crypto Kickstart, your go-to channel for all things crypto. Today, we're diving into a comprehensive guide on how to sign up for Bybit, one of the leading crypto trading platforms. And remember, if you decide to sign up, use the referral code KAKA to unlock some great bonuses. Let's get started. Before we jump into the process, let's talk about what you need to sign up. Make sure you have a valid email address and a photo ID ready for verification. Using a referral code like KAKA can get you some amazing bonuses, so keep that handy as well. Alright, let's break down the sign-up process step by step. Step 1. Creating an account. Head over to the Bybit website or download the Bybit app. Click on the Sign Up button on the top right corner. Enter your email or mobile number and create a strong password. Don't forget to enter the referral code KAKA to qualify for the bonuses. After entering your details, click Continue. You'll receive a verification code via email or SMS. Enter this code to verify your account. Next, we need to complete the KYC verification. This is crucial for unlocking all features on Bybit. Go to your account settings and click on Account and Security. Then click on Verify Now. You'll need to upload a clear photo of your ID and a selfie. Follow the prompts to complete the verification process. Once your account is verified, it's time to set up security. Enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA, by going to Account and Security and clicking Setup next to Google Two-Factor. Scan the QR code with your Google Authenticator app and enter the 6-digit code it generates. This adds an extra layer of security to your account. Now, let's fund your account. To deposit funds, click on Assets and then Deposit. Select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit and copy your unique wallet address. Transfer the funds from your personal wallet to this address. Make sure you double-check the address before sending any funds. Withdrawing funds is just as easy. Go to Assets and click Withdraw. Select the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw, enter the amount, and paste your destination wallet address. Complete the 2FA verification to finalize the withdrawal. By using the referral code KAKA, you're already on your way to earning rewards. Bybit offers sign-up bonuses in the form of mystery boxes and trading fee discounts. You can also earn additional rewards by referring friends to Bybit using your unique referral code. Let's take a quick tour of the Bybit platform. On the homepage, you can access different trading options like spot trading and derivatives. Bybit also offers additional features like staking, liquidity mining, and a robust API for advanced traders. The user interface is intuitive and easy to navigate, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced traders. Here are some tips for new users. Always enable 2FA for enhanced security. Use the referral code KAKA during sign-up to get the best bonuses. Take advantage of Bybit's educational resources to improve your trading skills. Start with small trades to get comfortable with the platform before diving into larger transactions. To sum up, signing up for Bybit is a straightforward process that offers numerous rewards, especially when you use the referral code KAKA. From creating your account to securing it and funding it, Bybit provides a seamless experience for all users. Thanks for watching Crypto Kickstart. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crypto tips and tutorials. Head over to Bybit, use the referral code KAKA, and start your crypto journey today. Until next time, happy trading. Keep your crypto game strong and your wallets even stronger. See you soon.